you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Marie, and today I'm going to be reviewing my December BoxyCharm box. So I wanted to review this earlier in the month, but I literally just got it a week ago. So I'm doing it now, so hopefully it's not too late. This is the BoxyCharm box that all the products come in. And if you guys haven't heard of BoxyCharm, basically an online company that you subscribe to for $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full products each month. And it's like the best thing ever because it's not just makeup, it's like some hair stuff and skin stuff, just a lot of different beauty products. And it's just really cool because some of these things are way overpriced in the actual box itself. It brings a little card like this, and it says "'Tis the Season" with a really cute flamingo on it. And then it has each product and basically what it does and the amounts of it. I already have my brows and foundation done. I'm going to do my concealer, and then I'm going to set my face with the Pretty Vulgar setting powder. And this came in the BoxyCharm. This runs for $32, and this is their Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder in the shade Matte About It. I love this packaging. Just a really pretty like cream color, and the gold detail is just so freaking beautiful. And I love how like the flowers on the top are like textured. And look how cute is this. It's a cute little pink puff with a little bow. I wonder if it has like a smell. Like, I don't know, I have this thing where I have to smell my powders. Okay, so it doesn't have like a good smell or a bad smell, but I do like how it feels. And it looks like a really light like yellow color, almost like white with like a tint of yellow. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer, and this is in the shade C10. So I'm just gonna put a little bit under my eyes, my forehead, around my nose, here and here. Then I'm going to go on top with my Maybelline concealer in the shade 25. And I'm just going to be highlighting a little bit with this. I'm just going to pour some onto the lid here. I don't know if we can pick up on the color, but as you can tell, it's just like white with like a tint of yellow. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender because lately I've just been loving how like airbrush it looks when you just go in with a beauty blender rather than your actual brush. So I just let the powder sit for like 30 seconds, then with my beauty blender just pat it like into my skin. This really just locks your makeup in and gives your makeup like a really nice airbrushed look. So I've been loving doing this. And you see it just dissolves with the beauty blender. And the base looks just really flawless. So right now the powder feels super soft on my skin. And I'm not seeing like a lot of creases. So far I really like the powder. For the next item that they sent, this is the Cosmedix Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. It comes in a tube like this. I'm really excited to try this because anything charcoal my skin really likes. And it goes for $30. And it's supposed to detoxify your pores from daily grime. We'll be getting back to this in a little bit. So this next item that I received in my BoxyCharm was by Suva Beauty. So it's $34. It comes with 6 shimmers and matte shadows and 2 highlighters. The palette is really sleek. It's a nice black palette. There's like 2 faces of woman on the front with the name of the palette. Then as you open it, you see the 2 highlighters on either end, and then the cool tones on the top and the warm tones on the bottom. It also does come with a mirror. Okay, let me swatch this because what? Okay, I'm definitely going to be playing with this today, especially since I'm wearing gray. I'm definitely going to be doing like a mauve type of look. Oh yeah, the warm tones in here also are really gorgeous. These swatches, I'm sorry, they're like so not cute, but I'm just so excited. I'm trying to hurry up. I'm just going to take the shade Poetic, and on a fluffy BH brush, I'm going to apply that into my crease. And I'm I'm just working it all into my crease. And it is really buildable, which is nice. It's not getting like patchy or chalky or anything like that. And the pigmentation is really nice, and the shadow is really buttery. Next color, I'm taking this really pretty cranberry like wine color, and it's the shade Aesthetic. It's gorgeous. So I'm going to be taking that on my outer V, and I'm taking another BH brush, and this is the number 7 brush. And then I'm not going to be picking up any more product. I'm slowly blending it into the middle of my crease. I'm not dragging it all the way in forward just yet. I'm slowly just blending it into the middle of my crease, and then working my way back out and just doing circular motions. And then once I feel like I have a good blend, then I'll start to go slowly more forward into my crease. And I love doing this just because it gives a nice blended look. I'm just applying a little bit more on just the outer V of my eye. And slowly just blending it into the middle. Take the other brush again that we were just using for the first color, and I'm going to start to blend out the outer V. So far, these shadows are extremely blendable. So this next color I'm putting on my lid is this really pretty lavender shade. It's the shade Structure, and I'm just going to apply this with a flat brush and apply this right onto my lid. And I want to take the shade Poetic one more time. Just blend everything together. So I'll be right back. I'm going to do my other eye off camera. I'm back and I just finished my makeup. I did my blush, my contour, my eyeliner, and my lashes. Go in with the shade Poetic. And I'm just going to be running this all down my lower lash line. Just blending it in. Now, I did forget to mention the purple shimmer shade that I put on my lid. I did get a little bit of fallout, but I'm not that mad at it just because it is a really pretty shade and it's really pigmented. So, I mean, I guess it's kind of normal for you to have, you know, some type of fallout when it's a really shimmery, pigmented shade. So, I guess I can't be that mad, but yeah, just letting you guys know it did have quite some fallout. After I apply the shade Poetic, I'm now going to go in with the shade Aesthetic, the cranberry shade. I'm going to use the same brush, and this is the number 8 BH brush. I like this brush a lot because it's a really nice brush to blend out your bottom eyeshadow, and it just gives a really nice blend. But this shade, I'm just going to put it halfway. I'm not going to bring it all the way in. I'm just going to really focus it on the outside. I'm going to take the shade Theory, the really nice lavender highlighter shade, and I'm going to apply that on my brow bone. Also onto my inner tear duct. I'm going to apply some bottom mascara onto my bottom lashes. So I'm going to go in with the shade Theory. This is the same shade that I used for my brow bone highlight in my inner corner. And this is the number 5 BH brush. Onto lips, dropping everything. I'm gonna go in with the lip pencil that came in the Boxy charm, and this is the Bodyography lip liner, and this is in the shade Heatherberry, and this goes for $12. The lip liner I thought was going to be a little bit more nude. It is a little bit more on the lavender side, but I do really like it. I'm going to see how it mixes in with this cool tone, like taupey nude shade. This is the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Bow and Arrow. I got this liquid lipstick in my last Boxy charm. No, I believe I got this one in my October one. I did really like how this liquid lipstick paired with this lip liner. I thought it was going to look a little too light. Normally with this lipstick, I would do a darker lip liner, but I really like how like the purple undertone like really like peeks through. Now I'm gonna go in with the lip gloss, and this is the Tarteist Lip Paint by Tarte in the shade Insta Famous. Comes in this really pretty gold packaging. It's $20. Oh my gosh, you guys. It has like pink and gold like reflex in it. It is so beautiful. I'm just gonna apply this right in the middle. I just want to talk about the products that I applied just now on my face. So let's start off with the powder. Now the packaging, I give a 10 out of 10, you guys. This packaging is beautiful. Normally I really don't pay much attention to it, but they really did like a lot of like hard work and detail, like you can tell. I really enjoyed the powder. I love how finely milled it was, and I love how soft it feels on the skin. And it's controlling my oils. I mean, I don't really have oils right now just because I do have dry skin right now, but I like how it looks on the skin. Definitely try this out because it's bomb. This palette, you guys, I've never heard of this brand, again, like I've mentioned before, but I'm so glad I got to try it because I can't wait to like look them up and know what other products they have, because this palette is so bomb. I really like the shadows in here. They're really pigmented and really buttery, easy to blend, and the highlights in here are gorgeous, and I love how you have your option of cool tone and warm tone. So this is a must palette, and I love how it comes with a mirror and it's small, you know, nice to travel with. Next, I really like the lip liner as well. I did think it looked a little darker, but once I applied it on my lips, it did like a little bit more on the like rosy pinky side, but still I see the tint of mauve. I really like the lip liner. It was really nice and creamy. Is the lip gloss, and you guys, that's like my favorite thing, because this lip gloss, it's like the reflex in it are so gorgeous. This is so pretty. If you guys pair this with a nude lip, oof, girl. Let me put a little bit more because let me tell you. And now I'm going to take off my makeup and try the mask. Pretty sure I'm going to like it because, like I said, I love like anything charcoal. So I'm going to try that and give you my thoughts on that. I'm going to go in with the Cosmedix Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. That's kind of like a clayey smell. I'm just going to apply it all over my face. It's like a thick consistency. This is blue color. So it says to apply a generous amount to clean, damp skin. Leave on skin for 10 to 15 minutes and then gently rinse with warm water and pat dry. So I'm putting the timer on for 15 minutes. Now that I've had it on my skin for about 5 minutes, I would say it is starting to dry and get a little hard, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. I can still move my face around. This is my skin after I washed the face mask off. My skin feels really soft. I just applied my toner. I haven't applied my moisturizer just yet. My pores like around my nose and my chin look much smaller, and my face just feels really silky smooth. So I really like this mask a lot. Those were all the products that came in the BoxyCharm box for the December month. Now I have to say I really enjoyed these products. I just love how it's 4 to 5 full items, and I did add up all the prices just because I was curious to, you know, see how much everything did cost all together, and it cost a total of $128, and it just blows my mind because all you pay is $21 a month. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, like more reviews on BoxyCharm, because I will be receiving these every single month. So just let me know if you guys like these kinds of videos. But I really liked how the look came out. I just love like the purple cool tone vibe. If you guys really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.